Hi, this is Shubhra from Tutorial. Today I will show you how to add a video within a PowerPoint document, and that will not disappear after deleting the video or copying the document into different place. Okay, so here you can see a PowerPoint document is there. So here I can add a video, like go to insert, then on the right side there will video on my PC. So here, okay, I can add one. Okay, so remember to press shift and center it like that, so that you can place it anywhere, and press the shift button and do like this, so that the ratio will be perfect as it is in the video. Okay, so here, there you can see the video is there. I can play it from there or in the PowerPoint slide also. Like, I can show you. The slide is opening. Yes. uh, Now you can just have to make a click there. Okay, as you can see, the video is playing there. Okay, now what I can do, I will just delete the video from there. Okay, delete the video from there, and press save button. Okay, close the PowerPoint, close it, then again open. Yes, open the PowerPoint. Yes, PPT. Now, okay, just make it slideshow. Zoom. Now if I do the play button, yes, the video is there. The video is there. Video is embedded into the document, so you can add it like that. And if I do another thing, like if I copy the document to different place like this, copy into desktop, open it, go to slide. There you can see the video is playing perfectly. So the video is embedded into the document. So that's all from today, and then in the next video I will show you how to embed a online video in a PowerPoint document. Thanks for watching this tutorial of PowerPoint. So if you have any queries, please do write in the comment section, and I will get back to you soon. So being with us, please do subscribe my channel, and thank you.